Hi everyone. Welcome to Just Hack IT. I am Rishikesh Pal. I am a cybersecurity enthusiast, blogger, web developer, and currently an YouTuber. So, disclaimer: this channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only. So, the agenda of this video is a tool called Osintgram. Osintgram is a tool from which we can extract informations from Instagram. So in this video we are going to see what is Osintgram, how to install it in our machine, and how to hack with it. And by the word hack I means how to extract user informations from the Instagram profiles. So let's begin. So the word Osintgram is a combination of two words, one Osint and the second one is Instagram. So first let us talk about Instagram. So I guess we all know about Instagram, and I guess we all also have an account here. So Instagram is an social networking platform where we can share our pictures, videos, and nowadays reels, and also edit them and share them online to gain popularity. This application is also used by various business companies to do their digital marketing. Now let's talk about OSINT. So OSINT or open source intelligence, both are same. It plays an critical role in the field of cybersecurity. So what is actually OSINT? OSINT is intelligence gathered by collecting and analyzing publicly available information and data for investigative purpose. The term open source refers specifically to information that is available for public consumption. Now the question arrives, how can we use OSINT? OSINT can be used in various cases, like for penetration testing and ethical hacking. We can use OSINT to find accidental leak of sensitive information, like through social medias, then to find open ports or unsecured internet connected devices, then to find unpatched software, such as there are various websites that is still running older version of common CMS protocol, and that is too much vulnerable. And also we can use OSINT to find various kind of leaked or exposed assets, such as through the site called Pastebin. Now let's move forward. So now we have come to the practical part. In this practical, I will show you how to install Osintgram and how to use it. So now let me switch to my Linux device and let's get started. So now let's see how this tool Osintgram works. I am in my Linux machine. Now we will install Osintgram into our machine. So for that, just go to Google and search for OSINT Osintgram, and then in the top you will notice a link of for GitHub. Just open the link and this page will open, and from here just go to click on code. From here just copy the HTTPS link. Now move to your terminal and type the command, that is git clone, and then paste your link and press enter. It will install you the Osintgram tool in your device. But for my case, I have it installed already, so I want to install it again. I will just switch my directory to Osintgram. So inside the folder of Osintgram, we can see a folder named as config is present. So in this config folder, I will notice two files. Let me just get in the config folder. Yeah, so as I was saying, there is two files, that is credentials and settings. So in these credentials files, you will have to give your Instagram account's username and password so that it will help to for scanning. But I would like to give you a suggestion that do not ever use your personal account for this purpose, because it is firstly it is risky, and secondly Instagram might block and delete your account. So I already have it in configured, so I will just go back, and now we will also notice a file named as main.py, that is a Python file. Now we'll run the file python 3 main. So the format for running the Python file is that Python 3, there is a version of Python, then your file name, and then your target's name, that is your target account's name. So for my case I will use my account, and then just click enter. It will try to log in, and yeah, it did it. Then just type list, and these are all the commands that you can use for your purpose, OSINT purpose. So now I will just show you one thing, that is FWERS NUMBER, that is followers number. From this command you can get your followers number. Just hit enter. It will take some time. So you can see it has already cached one follower's phone number. Let's wait and see how much it can do. Okay, so you can see the result is here. So it has cached 18 followers phone numbers. So I just only scanned for followers number. You can scan your followings phone numbers also, that is the person you are following, you can get their phone numbers too. Not only phone numbers, you can grab their email, all their pictures, anything. It is really a strong tool to use for OSINT purpose. Again a reminder, do not use your personal account for this purpose, as in this case it just sends request to every account and scan their account. So Instagram might block or even delete the account. It has already blocked this account of mine many times. It's not a problem for me because it is just a dummy account for me. So yeah, let's continue. Now we have come to the end of today's video. But before concluding today's video, let me just give you the idea of what we did in the practical. We got various sensitive information about our target just from his or her Instagram profile. We found phone numbers, email address, and even we got various other details of the person your target follows or is getting followed by. Now the main question is, are you safe online? The simple answer to this question is no. In today's world of various social media platforms, no one can be safe online. One shares sensitive information with or without knowing. So, how can you be safe? Simplest answer to this question is, think before doing something online. And limit sharing of information of yourself on the social media platforms.